Welcome, everybody. Today I'm going to be going over our recipe directory. This is something I came up with to make it easier for us to keep track of all of our recipes. A lot of times we have books, we keep writing in them, we lose our recipes. This is a great, easy way to keep track of your recipes. Don't lose them. And also at the same time, this could possibly be your way to meal prep for the week. So over here, we have the recipe database. It has all of your recipes, different kinds, types. You can choose those: Pakistani, Middle Eastern, Pakistani, Bengali, American, the name of the dish: butter chicken, shawarma, chicken haryali, creamy tomato rigatoni, grilled steelhead trout. I don't know why creamy tomato rigatoni says Bengali. That doesn't seem right. It's probably Italian. Let's find it. We have it right here. That fixes it. You can check the last edited dates. Then it also has a recipe board to make it a little bit to make it more pleasant to look at. So how does one use this? That would be somebody's first question. So what you would do is you would click new. Recipe and steps would come up, and you would put in, for example, biryani, chicken biryani, and then you'd click, and it would take you to this page. Now you would choose what type it is. This would most probably be Pakistani. For some people, they would click Indian, and for some people, they would include Bengali as well. Last edited on. No need to add any properties. Add a comment. We are making sure we make biryani properly. Then compile your recipe and shopping list here. Marinate time, for example, 160 minutes. Cook time, 120 minutes. Prep time, 30 minutes. Total time, that comes out to 3 hours, 30 minutes. Perfect. What kind of course is it for? You can eat it for either lunch or dinner. We can leave it there. We can make it for 5 people. Calories, generally speaking, biryani is a little bit higher. In the calorie count, we'll put like 800. Now, the shopping list, the ingredients, and the cooking instructions. This makes it really easy having it right here. So the shopping list, if you have it here, so when you go to the grocery store, you have it right there. And then the ingredients that you're going to use, for example, how much you're going to put in. Shopping list is just general. You're going to get rice, chicken, tomatoes, yogurt, so on and so forth. You might want some cinnamon. And then the ingredients you would want to put in, for example, 2 cups of rice, 2 pounds of chicken, like that, And then, this is basically the accumulation of what you're actually going to put in. 3 tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 stick of cinnamon, 3 pieces lychee. And then cooking instructions, boil rice, marinate chicken, and shan masala. Now, the difference between the shopping list and the ingredients is the shopping list is just the things you need. For example, you already have shan masala at home. You're not going to buy it again. But in your ingredients list, we're going to put shan masala in there. I didn't put that there, but I'm going to put it right down. Bombay biryani. Marinate chicken and shan masala, so on and so forth. So this is a really easy way to get your grocery list good to go. And then, at the top, you can change the cover picture. And, you can... It's in the exact picture, but it works. Okay. We're done here. We'll kind of close this off. And it's down here. Chicken biryani. Perfect. So this is a fun, easy way to have a recipe directory. It may end up helping you save a lot of money on groceries. It's just overall, it's a great thing to use. It's an easy to use Notion template, and anybody and everybody can use this to make their life so much easier. Thank you for joining. Hopefully this benefits you, and hopefully you use our template to benefit and make your life easy.